Let's talk manifestos. Let's talk solutions.
Build Zimbabwe Alliance Manifesto is clear about its commitment to aggressively promoting and defending the constitutional rights and liberties of every Zimbabwean without fear or favor. Let us not forget those that have been deprived of their constitutional right to hold dual citizenship and their right to vote regardless of their postal address. Within the first 100 days in office, BZA will create a fully independent Electoral Commission that will uphold the right of every Zimbabwean resident in or outside Zimbabwe to vote and ensure that there is a level playing field for all those who are participating in the electoral process. BZA will align the Citizenship Act with the Constitution of Zimbabwe of 2013 to affirm the right of Zimbabweans to hold dual citizenship. BZA will pass legislation to ensure that no one born in Zimbabwe shall be denied the full rights of their citizenship or be designated an alien status. It is time for us to move forward together as Zimbabweans, regardless of tribe, race, political affiliation, or a postal code.